especially in classics. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Of course, the only way you could have gotten this car in 1979 is a coupe. Underneath the hood, crate 350. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Is a factory AC vehicle. Have not had the AC working on this particular car. It appears that the components are underneath the hood, but have not had it working. Also, nicely equipped interior, power windows, power locks, tilt, telescopic wheel. Has had a repaint to red. Paint shows well on it. You can tell it's a little older paint job, and there's some spots. You're going to have a few spots where you have a little bit of a touch-up or maybe a slight scratch here or there. Get in and drive it. Don't be afraid to get in this particular car and drive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out this car from every angle, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the chrome rally style wheel, tri-bar spinners. Take a look up and down the passenger side. Here you got a couple of spots where you can see it's been touched up along the way, previous owner. Taking care of it well. Black interior. Of course, center console for that automatic shifter on the floor. Aftermarket Alpine stereo system. A little spot like this right here. And again, they're hardly show up in the pictures or the videos, so it's not like they're big blemishes or anything like that, but just trying to give you an idea. Condition of the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is a bag for the T-tops that is in the storage area. I have the T-tops out right now, but I'll put them back in the car when I'm done. Just wanted to picture it with the T-tops in and out for you. Touch-up spot there if you can see it. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. An idea on the driver's side. Now let's take a little closer look at the interior. So again, power locks and power windows would be your power lock switch. Of course, power windows would be on the console in the center. Looks like it has had a couple areas reupholstered on the interior. Little sound speaker box in the back, I guess, for 6x9s, as you can see there also. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Now, odometer reads 75,266. Unfortunately, once the vehicle is a certain age, miles are exempt on the title, so it doesn't really tell you 100% accurate or not on the titles once they're so old. Clock is even working. That generator lights on just because of the low idle. Always RPMs rev up a bit, it goes off. Stereo does work also, by the way. You can see oil pressure. That was a cold start, so assuming the temp gauge would come up with engine temperature. Look at the dash. Slip around to the back of this so you hear it run. Nice little throaty exhaust note. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's that crate 350. HEI ignition there. Again, power brakes, power steering, AC. It appears the components are over there, but like I said, I've not had that blowing cold. Appears to be a newer radiator. Slip around over to the passenger side. Let's check it out from this angle. Get a look at it. Smooth running. No doubt about that. Good sounding engine. So there it is. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.